So as some of you may know, my wife ended up having to get tested for COVID-19 or for coronavirus. We ended up being in the San Jose area right when everything kind of exploded and erupted. And then a couple days after that, she ended up having a fever. So we self-isolated, we self-contained, we called the health department, we went to an urgent care clinic, and then they kind of communicated with each other. The epidemiologist for the county that we're in said that she needed to go and get tested. So we actually ended up going and getting tested, or having her get tested for COVID, for coronavirus. And I tried to videotape as much of the experience as I could because I wanted to show you guys what it's like right now for the community to go and get tested. Now this was several days ago before it continued to erupt even more. This was back when we were only at what, 3,500 cases or so a few days ago. But I wanted to video that experience so you guys could see it and see what it's like. Now, thank God the results came back negative about 36 hours after, but I wanted to share some of that experience with you. So it said COVID testing at the red fence. So we come here to the red fence.
And then I call now.
And it says wait for gate to open. And then inside there's two people in hazmat suits coming up to car doors.
Let me call them and tell them.
So it's a little sketchy.
It says click to enter.
So they did want to make sure we saw the orange flag held up there by paper clips. Looks like it's a towel. So I guess we're not entering. They said park. I guess if the orange flag is up, we park. It looks like we're in line. That lady just came out of a building and shoved another car ahead of us. So they're going into the red gate. I haven't seen any cars come out of the red gate yet though.
Maybe there's a different side.
So apparently all these people parked in this parking lot here are all the people they're testing today. She's going up to that car, but she hasn't come up to us. All right, so we are next in line. They only let one car in at a time. So we had to line up here, and again, that whole parking lot is full of probably 10 cars or so that are all waiting to be tested. So you can tell the staff here is very stressed, very understaffed, and trying to keep all the people moving the way they need to move. But here we are, this is how it's being handled. All right, so the gate's opening. It's now our turn. There's a couple medical staff in there with their gear on. I don't really know that I'm filming, so. So now they have to get some stuff from her throat.